The purpose of this jig is to make a mitre lock joint on the cross cut of a wood with minimum breakage, quite safe because it's done with your router cutter on downwards. The router is set up with a block. This is specifically for 19 millimeters. The height has been set. The router runs within the guide of this. So setting up the wood, you do it very similar to what you would do with a dovetail jointer. You have the wood exactly right at the end so that they are flush. They are tied down well. Power is applied to your router. Your router runs on the rails just like this, and it runs so both your vertical and your horizontal piece of wood is cut simultaneously to give you a very good, nice router cut for your log mitre joint. The